Scent of a Woman is a beautiful film from the 90s produced and directed by Martin Brest with Al Pacino. This is actually a remake of a 70s Dino Risi film Profumo di Donna starring the fabulous Vittorio Gassman. Both are very popular at 4K3 minutes.
Mike, amore mio. Where are you?
In Grasse, the world capital of perfume. For me, perfume is the olfactory signature of a woman. It was indeed her who spent a crazy night with me. It's those little concoctions packaged in elaborately shaped flasks with a hefty dose of marketing propaganda that are making the fortune of the luxury industry these days. Luxury as a product? Products have been created to just satisfy the vanity of some individuals. With perfume, it's complex, because it's not as easy as with handbags. A logo on her handbag will satisfy a woman who wants to show an inclusive, equal and equitable society that she has succeeded. But an olfactory logo? With scents, it's very complex. It's a matter between her and her, in front of her mirror and her with the others. Parity? Yes. Equality? Never. No need to elaborate on the surrounding neoliberal mercantile bullshit, that would take too long. To summarize what we're talking about with this dude. A perfume is first, the top or first scent notes, the lightest molecules, citrus for example, which give this impression of freshness in the morning. Once gone, are following the middle notes or floral notes of jasmine or rose, and to finish, the base notes, the heaviest molecules, stuff like wood, tobacco, vanilla. The perfumer does then a combinazione of all these, his creation. I think I atomized your assholes in space, didn't I? Opening up your cultural appetite is a mission for me. You can put your assholes back in place, and please. In the same place. Thanks. And? What's your carbon footprint?
What an asshole, a dinosaur, and yet I adore you. The rest are scented candles, right?
Alright Celine. I may be too macho, too old, too conservative, too attractive and too straight to understand. Yes, candles. And in Gourdon. It's not Grasse, but it's a max 10-minute drive from Grasse. A store of scented candles, colors, a quelques shoes, that we decided to share. And Gourdon? It's a high-perched village. And who says high-perched? Says? Drone. Images to widen the asshole. Let's go for our poetry lap with Emma. All in flight. Fly away, forget the surrounding bullshit and let yourself be carried away by the magic of cinema and poetry all in one. And Emma. Don't forget the beers after the poem.
From poemhunter.com. Scent of a Woman by Santiago Lopez. You had me at hello. Hurt me with goodbye. Tears certainly drip from my eyes. The smell of you. Still on my clothes, sheets and pillows. The one woman who will always have my heart. From end to start is where I would like to go. The scent of you remains, only to pain the loss of you. I've cried 1,000 rivers at the absence of your soul. I'd trade every treasure just to be in your embrace, to be able to see your face in front of mine. You have left me in dismay, hungry for your taste and smell of you. All I want is to fall asleep, dream of us at heaven's gates, loving each other in every way, just to wake up next to you.
luxury industry invests colossal sums in marketing. At 4K3 Men's we don't have a choice either, and as usual, the same ad. Only by repeating and repeating will you come to realize that you have to follow us on Vimeo, then like, subscribe to the YouTube channel, but also comment and share. And of course, no choice. You'll have to make a donation. For that it's very simple too. Patreon. Your credit card. Donate. Done with this mercantile crap, let's continue now. And a little more journalism at the International Perfume Museum. From an olfactory point of view, all interactive gadgets, even if they make noise, no longer work because of COVID-19. Flasks and again flasks from Egypt to the present day. 5,000 years of flask in a single museum. 50 centuries of perfumery and music have started. What is this? Marie Antoinette's actual toiletries. Headless. And, yes, buttholes plugged. And the word of the episode. We have thought about it. Who says perfume says passion, right, Ursula?
Yes, Passion, Mike. Passion is the word. Du bist ein Dinosaurier mit archaischem Machismo, aber du bringst mich wirklich dazu, den Verstand zu verlieren. Passion is a very strong emotion turned towards a person producing a psychological imbalance because the object of the passion occupies the mind excessively. Passion is reflected in a feeling of unusual excitement alternating between pleasure and suffering due to the significant drop in serotonin, the neurotransmitter responsible for the emotional state of happiness, and the increase in dopamine, the neurotransmitter causing the sensation of pleasure, which activates the reward system.
I can't believe myself. Do I blow the brains out of my subscribers with serotonin and dopamine? No limits at 4K3 Mints. I wonder what we're going to do for the next episode. Something calmer, I think. One thing is certain, it will be less fragrant. Ladies, this episode is dedicated to you. Goodbye.